Anyone who knows me knows how much I love paper. I try to use paper over plastic any chance I get. When I got a microwave, I didn't want to buy a plastic cover for the inevitable food explosion. I made my own out of 2 sheets of cardstock by snipping tabs along the edges and interlocking them together to form a dome, making sure to give clearance so steam and air could flow around it. When I needed to save plastic bags, I didn't want to buy a plastic holder. I made my own from used Kleenex boxes that happened to fit in my drawer. I sort small and large bags, fold them up, and I get a thrill each time I see how tidy they are. I needed to organize my desk tools, and I bought a used tool caddy from Value Village. And again, I ended up making my own from paper because I prefer to reach for a tool and not have to fight to get it out. I store the extra tools I don't use daily in my drawers. This forces me to tidy up each time, and my future self is much happier for it. As you can see, I prefer to use more paper and less plastic. Plastic takes so long to break down, and when it does break down into small pieces, it can get swallowed up by birds who die because it gets stuck in their system. Fish swallow small pieces of plastic, and then we humans eat the fish. When plastic gets into our waters, it creates islands of trash. My efforts to reduce, reuse, and recycle felt so small compared to the daily mountain of consumption and convenience. So when Mr. Beast and Mark Rober started a campaign to save our seas, I was happy to join them and do more. Their mission is to raise $30 million and remove 30 million pounds of garbage from our oceans, rivers, and beaches. To learn more about how you can help too, visit teamseas.org.